Hello, in today's video I'll show you the swimming mode and how to use it on a REALME Watch S5. As you can see, I have the watch right here, and now you can go to the workouts. So you can either click on the down button to open workouts, or if you don't have this shortcut assigned, you can go to apps and then find the workout app. Now you can find different exercises, so let's try finding swimming. Okay, it is right there. Now you can select the pull length. I have it in yards. I have no idea how much 25 yards are, but let's click on go. And then it'll start counting it once you click here. You need to make sure your watch is fitting well, of course. And now it'll start doing everything. It'll start counting the time, the calories, laps, distance, and everything else. You can't really click on anything. You can pause it by clicking here. When you click on the up button, nothing happens. When you click on the down button, also nothing happens. But when you pause it, then you can actually, you still can't do anything. Let's press and hold. Okay, when you press and hold, you cancel it. And it's draining water automatically, so it's playing this sound to drain water from the speakers, which is great. Let's give it a moment. It's taking some time, of course. Now you can shake your watch to clear the water from the speaker, and it's done. You can also use open water swimming, so yeah, that's also possible here. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.